I've noticed there's been a lot of people asking on how to delete Google account permanently. Now, it always gets permanently deleted. If you decide to delete your Google account and you just go through all the basic steps, you are permanently deleting it. You are not deactivating your Google account. It is being permanently deleted. So let me just log in real quick. So once you do all this one and this one, you are permanently deleting your Google account. Like, without ticking these two boxes, you cannot delete account. Like, look, see? So the moment you tick this box, you are permanently deleting it. So yeah, that's about it. You will permanently delete your account whenever you want to delete it. So yeah, there's no other steps of permanently deleting Google accounts. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please drop a like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bye bye.